Are you taking it? Look at her. Here you go. Good. Hey, boo boo. Oh, it's just a sound, honey. It don't mean nothing. It wears you out, doesn't it? Every time I do it, you ready to go to bed now. Oh, boo. She's like, Mommy, not right now. She's emotionally hurt me. Not right now. I can't stand it. Stop it, Mommy. Stop it. Can we do it again? Don't do it again.